Alright. I got eyes for pain and darkness. She got smiles and love by the door. Senses when the sky is falling. My roof must shelter from the storm. No, she don't mind all the times that my heart's been black and blue. She don't mind all the, she don't mind all the times that my heart's been No, she don't mind all the times that my heart's been black and blue. Caesar, she's the tears in my eyes from a different point of view. She loves the rain, she loves the days, better when the sun goes down. She loves the rain, well maybe that means she could love me somehow. Awesome. Alright. I got eyes for the pain in darkness. She got smiles and job by the door. Senses when the sky's falling. My roof, my shelter from the storm. No, she don't mind all the time. No, she don't mind all the times that my heart's been black and blue. Sees the tears in my eyes from a different point of view. She loves the days, better when the sun goes down. She loves the rain, well maybe that means she could love me somehow. When the sky turns gray, you should see her face. She ain't even fazed by the clouds. She loves the rain, well maybe that means she could love me somehow. Keeps half a shell she found in destiny. Right on top of bedroom drawer. Next to a dozen dying flowers. She waits until the petals fall into the floor. No, she don't mind all the times that my heart's been black and blue. Sees the tears in my eyes from a different different point of view. Sheila likes the days better when the sun goes down. She loves the red. Well, maybe that means she could love me somehow. When the sky turns when the sky turns gray, you should see her face. She ain't even fazed by the clouds. She loves the red.